dear traders, my name is Yekaterina and you are watching the daily trading plan for the 26th of March by FPS. As usual, let's look at the economic calendar. The most significant event for today from the economic calendar is the release of CB consumer confidence at 16 MetaTrader time. According to the forecast, the indicator will reach 132.1 points. Higher figures will boost the USD. Now let's look at the charts. At first, let's consider the daily chart of Euro-USD. After the disappointing releases on Friday, the pair fell towards the support at 112.88. but managed to recover towards the weekly pivot at 113.39 yesterday. If the USD is supported today by the positive release, the pair will fall below the support at 112.88 towards the next support, which lies at the weekly pivot at 112.30. Otherwise, we may see the rise above the resistance at the weekly pivot at 113.39 towards the next resistance at 114.7. If we look at indicators, parabolic SAR still shows the upward movement for the pair, and ADX shows the strength of bulls. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. Here we can see that the 200 period simple moving average has been acting as a resistance since yesterday at 113.22. If the release of consumer confidence disappoints the market, bulls will break this resistance and try to push the pair higher towards the next resistance at the weekly pivot at 113.39, which lies near the 50 period simple moving average. And if they are strong enough, the next resistance will lie at 113.62. Otherwise, if the USD is supported today, bears will break the support at 113.2. The next support is situated at 112.82. If they are strong enough, the next support for the pair lies at 112.50. Now let's consider USD JPY pair. On the daily chart, the pair fell below the weekly pivot at 110.43 on Friday on the risk aversion. This level lies close to the 50-day moving average. If the USD is strong today, we may see the pair rising above this level and targeting the next resistance at 111.13, which is also the weekly pivot resistance. Otherwise, the pair will continue to fall towards the support at 109.17 and the next support lies at 108.47. From the technical side, parabolic SAR shows the downward movement for the pair, and ADX demonstrates the strength of bears. However, if we look at yesterday's candlestick, we can see that it's a doji candlestick, which probably means that bears were tired to pull the pair lower, and we may see the rise towards the weekly pivot at 110.43. However, we need to wait for the release and other confirmations. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the pair has been consolidating between the support at 109.77 and the resistance at 110.23. If bulls are excited today, they may break the 110.23 level and push the pair towards the next resistance at 110.43, which is a weekly pivot resistance. If this level is broken, we need to focus on the resistance at 110.95. Otherwise, if bears take over the market today, they will try to break the support at 109.77, and if this level is broken, the next supports for the pair are placed at 109.55 and 109.17. Thank you for your attention. Follow FPS for more analytics.